Today we'll start exercise 9.4 NCERT sequence series. Okay, so exercise 9.4 NCERT. Okay, so sums we have to do based on summation of n terms of special series, right? So the first question that we are going to do is 1 into the summation is given. What we have to find out the summation, that terms are 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus so on. So last term क्या होगा? What will be the last term? Nth term will be n into n plus 1. Okay, because the first term is 1 into 1 plus 1. The second term is 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay, so last term will be nth term will be n into n plus 1. Okay, so this is summation of 10. We can write Sn is equal to Sn will be equal to summation of an. Okay, and summation of an is basically we can write k is equal to 1 to n, and it is k into k plus 1. Okay, so k into k plus 1, so we can write summation of k is equal to 1 to n and k square plus k. Okay, so we can write here now summation of k is equal to 1 to n k square plus summation of k is equal to 1 to n k. And what is the value of square of n terms? Okay, n natural numbers, what will the value? That will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, and for this one, what will the value of first n terms? Summation of first n natural numbers, that will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now here also we can take common. क्या क्या हम common ले सकते हैं? n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1, and divided by 2 also we can take common. So we'll write here n into n plus 1 divided by 2. We have taken common. So 2n plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is there. So we can write n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and here we can write 2n plus 1 plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and 2n plus 4 divided by 3. Okay, now we'll take 2 common, so we'll get n into n plus 1 into 2 common, and then n plus 2 divided by 2 into 3. 2 cancel, so what value we'll be getting for Sn? Sn के लिए हमें value मिलेगा n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. So this will be the value of Sn. Okay, this was the first question. Now we'll move to the next, that is question number 2. And the question, the series given is 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1 into 2 into 3. Yeah, first term is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, so this way it's given. So we can clearly see an, the nth term will be, the first term is 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2, and second term is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. Okay, so clearly we can write for nth term will be n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay, so what we'll write for this one? Now we have to find out the summation of n terms. So summation of Sn will be equal to summation of k is equal to 1 to n and k into k into k square. We can write n square also, k square plus k plus 2k plus 2. Okay, so this will be equal to summation of k is equal to 1 to n, and we can write k cube plus k square plus actually 2k plus k 3k, so we can directly write 3k square plus 2k. Okay, now what we'll do, summation of k is equal to 1 to n k cube plus summation of k is equal to 1 to n 3k squared plus summation of k is equal to 1 to n 2k. Okay, now we'll write down the value. What is the value of this one? K cube. What value we'll be getting for this one? We are getting 2 n into n plus 1 square upon 4. Okay, n square upon n plus 1 square upon n square into n plus 1 square upon 4. Okay, now for this one, what value we will be getting? We will be getting n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus 2k के लिए क्या हमें वैल्यू मिलेगा? Okay, this is 3k, so we'll write here 3 and plus 2k, summation of k is equal to 1 to n 2k will be equal to 2 into n plus 1 divided by 2. ठीक है, now we'll take common. सब में there is क्या common है? There is n minus n into n plus 1 is common. N into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 and divided by 2 also we can take from all. So we can write n into n plus 1 divided by 2 common, and here we'll write n into n plus 1 divided by 2 हमें मिला, and sec for this one we'll get divided by 2 we'll take na, and ये we can divide, we'll get 2 only. So n into n upon 2, n into n minus n plus 1 divided by 2 we'll take common, we'll get only 2n plus 1, and for this one we'll get 2. Okay, so now what value we'll be getting for this one? N into n plus 1 divided by 2 we have written here, and now we'll simplify whatever is inside the bracket. Okay, so what we'll do here, n into n square plus n divided by 2 है, फिर यहाँ पे 2 into 2n plus 1 plus 2 into 2 divided by 2. Okay, so here we'll write n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and n square plus n plus 4n plus 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, now this one, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so here we'll write n square plus 5n plus 6 divided by 2. Now we'll take 2 common, जो denominator में 2 है we'll take outside the bracket, so it will be n into n plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, now this will be equal to, now we'll write n square plus 2n plus 3n plus 6. So n into n plus 1 divided by 4, n will take common to n plus 2, 3 will take common to n plus 2. So here this is Sn. So Sn will be equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, so this one will be the value of Sn. Okay, this was question number 2. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 3. And the next question is the series given, the summation that we have to find out is 3 into 1 का square plus 5 into 2 का square plus 7 into 3 का square and so on. So here we can clearly see what will the value of a in nth term. First term is 3 into 1 ka square. Second term is 5 into 2 ka square. So we can clearly see it is nth term will be, the first term is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 ka square. Second term is 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 2 ka square. Similarly, nth term will be 2n plus 1 into n square. Okay, so that will be, when we'll solve this, we'll get 2n cube plus n square. Okay, so summation of, we have to find out the summation, I mean Sn. Okay, so Sn का value क्या होगा? Sn will be equal to summation of k is equal to 1 to n 2n cube plus summation of k is equal to 1 to n square. Okay, now n cube का value क्या होता है? We'll write here, and then n square का. Okay, so n cube is basically 2n cube, so 2 into n square n plus 1 का square divided by 4. Okay, and plus सर यहाँ पे k लिखेंगे ना, because we have written k, so k square, so it will be, and now k square का formula, what will be the value? This will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now n into n plus 1 is there. Okay, so ये तो हम cancel कर देंगे, we'll get 2. So n into n plus 1 divided by 2 will take common. तो हमारे पास क्या बचा है? n into n plus 1 is left, and plus 2n plus 1 upon 3. So we'll solve this, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and 3n square plus 3n plus 2n plus 1 upon 3. Okay, now we'll solve this one. So Sn will be equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2, 3n square plus 5n plus 1 divided by 3. Now we'll break this one. Okay, so how we can break? We won't be able to break this. So I mean it is already simplified. We can't simplify more, so it will be n into n plus 1 into 3n square plus 5n plus 1 divided by 6. So this will be the value of Sn. Okay, now we'll do the fourth question, question number 4. Next question, that is 4, and the series given is 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 plus ... so on. Okay, so what we can write here, nth term will be equal to 1 upon, okay, we'll write k. Kth term will be 1 upon k into k plus 1. Okay, so we can simplify this, and it will be 1 upon k minus 1 upon k plus 1. Okay, we can write like this, because it will be k plus 1 minus k divided by k into k plus 1 होगा ना, and the same value we will be getting 1 upon k into k plus 1. Now what we'll do, we'll put the value of k is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, so first of all we'll put the value of k is equal to 1. So what value we are getting? A1 will be getting 1 minus 1 upon 2. Now k is equal to 2. A2 will be getting 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Now k is equal to 3. We'll be getting A3 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Now k is equal to 4. What value will be getting? A4 के लिए 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, and this way dot dot dot, we'll get some values, and k is equal to n, so a n will be equal to 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 1. ठीक है. Now what we'll do, हम summation कर देंगे. So a1, this side a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4, okay, dot 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 plus a n तक मिलेगा, and this side this will be cancelled from this one, this ऐसे ये next term से cancel होगा और ये previous term से cancel होगा. So what value we'll be getting? This one is left and this minus this one is left. So we'll write 1 minus 1 upon n minus n plus 1. Okay. Now see, this is basically the summation Sn. So we'll write here Sn will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon n. So n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay. So this value what will get cancel kiya, and Sn will be equal to n upon n plus 1. So this is the value of Sn. Okay, I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.